Hey guys, I'm Jewellery from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you tutorials on 3 clay jewelry. So let's begin with the first one. This is a very beautiful clay lotus jewelry. For this we will be using the fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the components to form the dough. We will cut out the cardboard in the shape of a leaf and then spread the clay on top of it in this manner. We will cover up the surface of the leaf with this clay uniformly, and after that we will smoothen the surface and the edges with a little bit of water in the fingertip. We will add leaf impressions with the help of pointed object or clay tools if they are available at your home. We will be making the lotus flower, so for that make a circle, make small dots in this manner and then make the petals also. We will be making a 3-layered lotus, so make the petals accordingly. We will be sticking the clay pieces on top of the leaf. So at first take the central portion of the flower and also the petals in first and second layer. After that make a branch with the help of a clay. Keep that aside and then we will continue with the flower. We are now sticking the third layer of the petals. Now the branch is now dried up. We will now make small lotus bud in this manner and stick it on top of the branch. Don't forget to make 2 holes on either side of the branch. Now take small piece of clay and make a rope with it, and in this manner. This is actually a green stem intertwining the branch. Okay. When the clay pieces have been dried up completely, after 3 to 4 hours we will paint it completely white using white colored acrylic paint. After that we will start painting our work with other colors. We will be doing all the necessary shading required to give our painting a realistic effect, and we will soon complete our painting and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Okay? Painting is based on your imagination, so paint it accordingly. The painting is nearly done and we will let it dry. After that we will add a layer of wood shine wood gloss on top of it and allow it to dry out. So this will give a glossy effect and also color protect our work. We will now attach the branch to the leaf with the help of thread in this manner through the holes that we made, and finally we will add the string through the same holes at the top portion. We will decorate the string or cord with the help of thread beads. Finally our first necklace is ready and this is looking really stunning and very beautiful. I hope you liked this tutorial, and now we will move on to the next piece of clay necklace. So in this necklace we have made a pair of orchids. So let's begin the tutorial. For this, as usual, we will take the air dry clay and mix the components to form the mold, and with the mold we will take small pieces of clay and make 5 petals. 3 petals will be smaller and 2 of them will be bigger and spreaded. We will use clay tools to give this realistic effect. Finally we will make the central portion of the flower. So use 3 small petals and join them with any clay tool in this manner. Just follow what I'm doing, and then we will take a slightly bigger petal and place them in this manner and join to the already 3 petals that you made. This is the central portion of the orchid. So make 2 such orchids, and we will make 2 small balls also, which will be the buds, and make stems also. So take a circular cardboard and spread clay on top of it in this manner as I am showing you. and then we will smoothen the surface with a little bit of water in the fingertips. After that, we will take a scale or any clay tool and give brick-like shape for the background and slightly smoothen the surface with a little bit of water in the fingertip. Make 2 holes at the top portion in this manner, and then start placing your flower pieces together with the help of the surface. Okay, so in this way we will be sticking our petal pieces to form the orchids, and then place your stems and also the bud and complete the decoration. Let your clay work to dry for 3 to 4 hours for hardening, and then start painting on your work. At first paint it completely white with acrylic color, and then start painting on it based on your imagination. You can make your work very colorful, or you can also use pastel colors based on your taste and choice. I like my clay necklaces to be very bright and colorful because I'm a bright and colorful girl. So it's based on your imagination and your choice. Just decorate accordingly. So painting is done, and we added a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have used the Dendrite Wood Shine Wood Gloss. And finally we are attaching the string or cord through the holes that we made, and finally decorate it with thread beads. I hope you like this tutorial, and now let's move on to the last necklace. So this is a very beautiful parrot necklace. So as usual, take the air dry clay and take a piece of paper or cardboard cutout in this shape of a bird and a branch, and now take small piece of clay and place it on the outline that you made accordingly. You can use clay tools for sharpening and smoothing your work and to give proper shape to your clay pieces. Use little bit of water for smoothing it. This is really simple. Just place your clay pieces on top of the outline and your necklace will be ready in no time. So now we are placing the branch and cut out the extra portion, and finally add the tail to your bird. You can make a parrot or a macaw or token bird or anything, or a peacock. Just make an outline on a piece of paper and stick the clay pieces on top of it. Finally we will give the further detailings to our bird with the help of and smoothen it with the help of water, and then we will add flowers to the branches. So I made small flowers and leaves. Don't forget to make holes on either side of the branch because you need to attach the string to your neck piece, right? So finally the decoration is also completed. We will let our work to dry out completely for 3 to 4 hours, and then we will start painting on our work. At first paint it completely white. This will act as a primer, and then start painting on your work based on your imagination. So you can make a parrot or you can make a macaw or anything of your choice. Paint it accordingly and complete it as soon as possible, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Okay? So the painting is nearly done. We will let it dry out completely. We will add the shadings also. and it is done. After that we will add a layer of wood gloss. As usual, I have used dendrite wood shine wood gloss for the glossy effect and color protecting it. And the clay pieces are ready. We will join the leaves through the holes and a thread bead in this manner using a thread. Tie a knot and it is ready. Cut out the extra piece, stick it with the fabric glue. Similarly, do the same thing on the other side also, and finally attach the cord or string through the same holes and decorate your necklace with thread beads. So this beautiful necklace is also ready, and with this our today's tutorial comes to an end. I hope you like this tutorial and subscribe to my channel.